So while the men in blue are preparing for their monster clash against Australia, here is how in India, when it comes to a row that erupted after a series of posts by a Congress leader, Shama Mohammed, raised an outrage. In a now deleted post, the body shaming of Indian team captain Rohit Sharma states how he needs to lose weight. And he also was called as a mediocre player by the Congress Neta, and how he is just lucky to be captaining the team India. In fact, when it comes to Times Now's direct and straight confrontation that happened with the Congress leader on camera seeking an explanation, watch her defiance on camera saying that it was a personal comment. She did not comment on his performance, rather on his fitness. That is what Shama Mohammed's clarification came on this issue.
You have deleted. Will you apologize as well for your remarks?
For what? Why should I apologize for saying some sports person is, a bit overweight? Not giving statement.
मैम एक स्टेटमेंट दे दीजिए प्लीज.
क्या statement?
मैम क्या कहना है मैम?
This is a personal statement of mine. I've said it in the morning. It's a generic statement about somebody's being fitness or anything. And don't involve my party in this, yeah? What is wrong with you?
But
it's my
we're not involving party, but it is not disrespectful on your part to just use such word for national hero.
No. Prime Minister Modi is doing Fit India right now. Go and ask him. मैं बस बोल रही हूँ कि किसी का फिटनेस के बारे में, वो मैं फिट हूँ, मैं बस उसके फिटनेस के बारे में बोला. इतनी बड़ी बात आप लोग.
But you don't think he's a legend?
I am very proud of him. I only spoke about his fitness. I have nothing against him. ये मेरी व्यक्तिगत बयान है. Why are you getting it? We have nobody is democratic to say about the. I told you.
Now, while the Congress was quick to dismiss and abandon their own leader, Shama Mohammed's personal comment, its ally, the TMC, added insult to injury. Now, adding to that, TMC MP Saugata Roy has called Rohit Sharma as NPA, which is non-performing asset. Watch how the TMC seems to be backing Shama Mohammed in a way. And here is the BJP, which is demanding Shama or apology from the Congress Neta.
I have a feeling as a cricket lover about Rohit Sharma. I feel that he is a non-performing asset. Match after match, he is flopping. I feel he should be dropped.
This is a personal view. Again, a view we don't agree with. This is definitely not the Congress party's view. I think Rohit Sharma is a very, very successful captain. The fact is that Rohit Sharma has a higher striking winning rate than most of Indian captains.
The shameless tweets by Shama Mohammed, Congress spokesperson, cannot be just forgotten by deleting or by Shama Yachika of Congress party, because you cannot delete the mindset of Congress. Rohit Sharma scores centuries and victories. Your captain Rahul Gandhi scores duck. He has scored 6 ducks in Delhi. He has scored 93 ducks overall in his political career.
But the Union Sports Minister Mansukh Mandavia has asserted that Congress and the TMC should rather leave sportspersons alone, because body shaming and questioning an athlete's performance in the team are not only deeply shameful but outright pathetic as well, and affects when it comes to their performance. However, when it comes to former cricketer Harbhajan Singh has also come out in defense of his former teammate Rohit Sharma, who shortly will be now appearing for the toss in Dubai clash.
रोहित शर्मा के ऊपर जो अभी बयान दिए गए हैं, उनके ऊपर मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूँगा कि देखिए, ये एक ऐसा खिलाड़ी है जिसने देश को बहुत सर्व किया है, बहुत सेवा करी है, और आज भी यहाँ पे मौजूदा स्थिति में वो टीम को बढ़िया तरीके से लड़ा रहा है, और वहाँ टीम बहुत अच्छा खेल रही है उनके अंडर दुबई में. तो उनके बारे में जो बयान दिया गया है कि उनकी फिटनेस सही नहीं है, बॉडी शेप ठीक नहीं है, व्हाट्सोएवर इट इज सेड, मुझे नहीं लगता है कि किसी को भी वो हक बनता है उनके बारे में, निजी चीज़ों के बारे में ऐसे बोलने के लिए कि उनकी फिटनेस नहीं है. अगर फिटनेस ठीक नहीं होती तो शायद वो भारतीय टीम का हिस्सा नहीं होते, और वो तो कप्तान है.
Now, as far as comments on Rohit Sharma, on his body, on his image is something, as far as the backlash and the outrage has garnered a lot of comments coming in from other political parties as well. But Congress's Shama Mohammed has refused to apologize. she in fact remains defiant, and this time she has deleted the old post but has now come up with a new post, and that too of an old post of Kangana Ranaut, who is now a BJP MP. This is what Shama Mohammed seems to be, when it comes to saving face is now concerned, an attempt that is now being done, where previous old posts of Kangana Ranaut, where she too had questioned Rohit Sharma, is now being put up by Shama Mohammed, and now she is seeking answers from the sports minister, asking that what does he has to say on this issue, when your own BJP leader had raised questions when it comes to the farmer protest, and now she is seeking an answer from this. So clearly, as far as when it comes to she being pulled up in a way by the Congress party, because Congress party in a jiffy had clearly maintained its distance from Shama Mohammed's comment, calling it as personal opinion. However, had gone on to say that we do not support such kind of statements. In fact, we stand with our sports persons, and of course, when it comes to the Indian cricket team that has won laurels for the country. However, here is Shama Mohammed deleting a road post, but however continues to remain defiant, posting an old statement by BJP's Kangana Ranaut and seeking answers from the Union Minister for Sports. Let's in the meantime talk about the BCCI Vice President on the remarks that has now been made by a Congress leader. This is Rajiv Shukla's exclusive amid the outrage on Rohit Sharma. The remarks that have now been made, calling Shama Mohammed's comments as personal. Let's listen in.
Well, I agree with you. These kind of statements should not be made against any player. It's a personal matter, and how can anybody comment on that? So I think she has deleted the tweet also, and Congress party has made it very clear that these kind of statements should not be made. Mr. Pawan Kheda said this kind of statement should not be made, and the party completely dissociate itself from such statements.
Well, Sabyasachi and Karishma both connected with us right now as we are looking at the match between India and Australia to begin in a short while from now. But Sabyasachi, the controversy refuses to die, because here is Shama Mohammed, in a bid to save face, seems to be putting out an old post of Kangana Ranaut seeking answers from the Union Minister.
Well, that's right. See, on one hand, the Congress party has clearly stated that the Congress party does not support the remarks that had come in from Dr. Shama Mohammed, and the Congress party, in fact, wants her to not to make any sort of statements in the future as well. But Shama Mohammed continues to be defiant, continues to be not apologetic. In fact, that is the reason why she has put out old post of Kangana Ranaut, which she has put out back in 2021. See, at that particular time, Rohit Sharma has put out a post in support of the farmers' agitation which was going on, and Kangana Ranaut allegedly had used some unparliamentary language towards Rohit Sharma, and that is the reason why Shama Mohammed now asked the Union Sports Minister that what is the stand of the Sports Ministry as well as what is the stand of the BJP, which clearly shows that she is completely defiant. In fact, in several times when Times Now had confronted her, she did not apologize for a single time as well, whereas from the Congress High Command specifically it was mentioned that she had to delete her post immediately, and the Congress party in fact told her that she should refrain from putting out a post like this in the near future as well.
Well, that's the point. If any politician is making personal comments, then they should specify that at the forefront rather than setting such kind of an outrage where political parties then they have to defend their own leader and then call it as a personal opinion. Thank you, Sabya, for joining in as Karishma continues to be with us.